Breaking your trading plan. Every trader's silent killer. You see a setup, maybe a little profit slipping away, and suddenly, you're changing stops, adding positions, or holding longer than you should. But the market doesn't care about your emotions and those small compromises. They compound fast. Following your trading plan isn't about stubborn rules. It's about protecting yourself from impulsive decisions. When you stick to your plan, you're executing logic over emotion. Every deviation teaches your brain that feelings can overrule reason. Every skipped stop, every added contract, every ignored rule. That's how discipline erodes and your edge disappears. Discipline is like a muscle. One trade doesn't strengthen it, hundreds do. Every trade executed according to plan, win or lose, trains your brain to favor logic over impulse. Think of a sniper. He doesn't fire every second. He waits. Patient, calculated, disciplined. That's trading. Each impulsive trade is a wasted shot. Every wasted shot costs money, time, and confidence. Here's how you become that sniper on the charts. You wrote your plan when you were objective. Your job now is to trust it in the heat of the moment. Backtesting, journaling, reviewing trades, all proof that the plan works over time. Without evidence, emotion will always convince you to bend the rules. With evidence, patience and discipline become natural. You're no longer guessing, you're executing with confidence. Before each session, define entries, exits, stop losses, and position size. Treat it like a contract with yourself. And here's the key. Follow it strictly. No exceptions. Each time you obey the rules, you're training your mind to trust logic over impulse. Over weeks and months, this builds an unshakable foundation for your trading career. Your trading plan isn't a suggestion. It's your shield against emotion. Stick to it, even when it's tempting to bend the rules. Control your decisions, or your impulses will control you. And in trading, the market always punishes impulse.